Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jordan. Today I'm going to be doing like a foundation that doesn't really show your pores. So first things first, you always want to exfoliate and moisturize. If your skin is dry and peeling, your foundation and everything else is not going to lay correctly. I move on to primer. For primer, I use the MAC Prepping Prime Natural Radiance. And I take like 1 or 2 pumps of that. And same thing goes with the primer. You can apply that with a beauty blender as well. I find it easier to use my hands, but a beauty blender works just as good. Alright, so moving on to foundation. I use Too Faced Born This Way. I use it in the color Porcelain just because my face is lighter than my body. And I use about 2 pumps of that. You want to just press all over your face. You don't want to drag or else it's not going to lay right. Alrighty, so then when you're done with your foundation, I always move on to concealer. Use the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Medium Honey. And then I'm just going to apply this under my eyes. I do it on my nose. I'm going to do around my nose right here as well. This way you don't get wrinkles. I do my chin. I do up my nose and I make like a triangle at the top. And then I also do a little in my crease of my eyelid. That way it helps my eyeshadow stay. So once I get this on, I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. I'm going to cream contour today just because when you cream, it doesn't show many pores. If you use powder, it can show more pores. I'm using the Marc Jacobs Deep in the shade Y500. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of this. So you want to dab it on your cheekbone. So like go right here. You want to go right here. Do around your nose. You can do it on your forehead right here. And then I do around my chin. So then once you have that on, you're going to blend that out with your beauty blender. And then once you have your cream contour on, you're going to set your whole face. I set mostly under my eyes. You don't want to set your whole entire face heavily. So I do under my eyes. Do on my forehead where it's shiny. And then I kind of just go around my whole face, tap where I need to. And then also you set under where you contoured. And I don't let my setting powder sit for long. I notice it's giving me harsh lines if I do let it sit. Once you have that on, you're going to take like a soft bristle brush and kind of wipe away everything. And then once you have your setting powder done, I'm going to powder contour my cheeks just a little bit. I'm going to use the Morphe bronzer. I'm going to take my contouring brush and then I'm just going to do it on my cheeks just a little bit to kind of make that shininess go away. Once I am done contouring my cheeks, I'm going to like contour my nose with a smaller brush with the same color, and I'm just going to take it up. And then I kind of blend it out just a little, that way it doesn't look so dramatic. But once you have that on, we're going to use the blush. I use the MAC in the color Mocha. And you want to tap when you're applying the blush, and you want to do it to the apples of your cheeks and pull back, but keep tapping. I'm going to do liquid highlight. I use the Cover Fix, the glitter drops. Once again, you want to use your beauty blender when you're blending this on both sides. And then I'm going to blend it in with everything. And then once I get done putting the highlight on my cheeks, I'm going to do my nose and my cupid's bow. And I'm going to do this with a fan brush. set my face with the MAC Prep and Prime. Start off with the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette, Bling Boss palette. I'm going to start blending in my crease with the color Hush Hush, and that one is right here. And I always tap off my brush, and then I go in circular motions whenever I am applying eyeshadow. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And once I get that color on, I'm going to kind of do a darker color in my outer crease. So I'm going to use the color Rockstar in the Bling Boss palette as well. You just want to kind of apply it to your outer corner. Once again, I apply it in a circular motion, and I kind of bring it in on my upper eyelid. I also bring it in on my crease. And once I get that color applied, I'm going to take my blending brush again and kind of just blend everything together so I don't have any harsh lines. Once I get these colors on, I'm going to take like a more of a flatter brush. I like to wet it with my MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to take Bling Bling in the Bling Boss palette. I'm going to apply this to my inner corner on my eye. Then with a smaller blending brush, I'm going to kind of smoke out my under eye. I'm going to use her Hush Hush color. Take a swirly and I kind of just wipe off like the powder and stuff on my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I don't get too crazy. I just use the Brow Musician. It's got like a pointed edge, so it makes it super easy to do my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna do my lips. So I like to line my lips first. So I always use nudes. That's just me. I'm gonna use the Morphe lip gloss in the color Pixie. On top of that, I use the Morphe lip gloss in the color Boho as well. And now I'm gonna go do my hair and change outfit. Alright, so here's the finished product. Comment down below what you guys think. Super quick and easy, poreless, flawless foundation routine. I do have Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and I'll link those all down below. This is my natural hair, by the way. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell on. That way whenever I post, you guys will know and you'll get notification. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys have an awesome new year.